remember speaking to them, sitting down, and I can't remember what thought I was thinking, and they said, "Mere paas ab itna time nahi hai." Right, and literally after months they passed on. Then parda kar gaye the. But a person who, the one who knew about things that are going to happen in 2020, 2040, 2000, you know, the future vision. I think they knew basically the people that are coming into life, the people that he's got concerns about the future, how's it going to be? And God is bringing these people together. These are the ones that are going to be in the future.
Yes.
With the Maliks, you know, you'd think that if it was on us and we knew we haven't got that long to live, for example, or that much time left in this world, maybe our thoughts will go towards our children and how the future is going to be, and who's going to be in the future.
You'd want the very best for them, and more so to make sure that their future was to a certain extent secured, you know, or they wouldn't or have to face any major problems. So, because that's...
And I think the Malik family was there in that future all the way through, whenever they looked at it. And that appreciation and that love came out as well.